Hello, and thank you for downloading Joomla Remote. Today we will be discussing the installation of Joomla Remote. The installation consists of two parts, a plugin that will need to be installed onto the Joomla website that you'll be editing, and the actual installation using the Joomla Remote installation wizard. So the first thing that you need to do is to upload the plugin using the standard Joomla 1.5 upload manager. Once you have the plugin uploaded, you want to make sure that under Site you have under your global configuration on the System tab that you have the Enable Web Services set to Yes, and that the plugin that you've installed, the Joomla Remote plugin, uh, uh, is enabled. You want to make sure that both of those are enabled before installation. You want to go ahead and open up the setup.zip file, and within it you see the setup.executable, and that opens up an installation wizard, step-by-step instructions. Go ahead and select the agreement. On the setup type, you want to go ahead and click on complete and install, and it automatically goes through and installs it. If you have the .NET framework already installed on your system, then the installation is relatively quick. If you don't have Microsoft.NET Framework installed on your PC, Joomla Remote does the installation for you. That installation takes about 10 to 12 minutes depending on the size of the files. Go ahead and click on Finish. By default, it automatically launches Joomla Remote, and the first process is to register your copy of Joomla Remote. Go ahead and click on Next, and you want to add yourself as a user. Registration is important because it enables you to create an account. You can use that same login credentials for our forums on joomlaremote.com. Let's create an account. I want to check for availability, and that user is available. We want to give it a valid email address. And a password. The next question pertains to licensing. If you plan on using Joomla Remote for personal and non-commercial use, the application is free. If you plan on using it for business and commercial use, there is some licensing information on our website. Okay, that completes the registration. And the final part is to simply add the website that you'll be using to edit with Joomla Remote. So you want to go ahead and click on the Add Website. You want to give it a descriptor. And Joomla Remote supports both HTTP as well as HTTPS protocol. You want to make sure that you type in the full URL path of your website that you'll be using. Go ahead and click on Next. And now you've added your website. Now you simply need to type in the credentials, the username and password that you use to administer that website. You can select the Remember Me option so that next time you launch Joomla Remote, it automatically logs into your website and you can start editing right away. You want to go ahead and click on OK. And the first time you use Joomla Remote, it basically synchronizes your data, which means that it downloads all of the information on your Joomla website, downloads it to your desktop. depending on the size of your website, the synchronization could take longer. And that launches the application, and that completes the installation process of Joomla Remote.